So when you are working, you need to have to save your files, text files, and some location, right? So either it's a notepad or your memo or text on your phone or Gmail or any messenger. But there is a better way, an alternative for this, and this is a protected text.com. So just click on it, click the URL, the protected text.com. Then it will ask for a URL. Like for me, this AT code, this say AT and demo class, AT YouTube, right? YouTube. So now, okay, it will create a like this notepad file, and you will ask to create it. Like create it now. Let's say this is my YouTube family files. First, second, third, last, and then end. Now let's save it. Then it will ask you for a password. So I'm gonna type my password. Let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6. You can try it. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now let's save it. Now what it does is just if you let's open incognito tab like this one. Now if you hit this URL, there is something on the internet that is yours. It's like a Google Drive. So if you hit the password, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 4 5 6 9, and if you decrypt this side, it will show you your text. So by this way, you can create any number of tabs here. Like let's say it's a Google Drive. Now let's say it's a Facebook, it's Instagram, it's networking. So we can do any of it. Just save it. Now open in incognito, refresh the page. It will ask for the password, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now decrypt this. Alright, so you can see it. There is all the file. So this is the way you can save your files, that important files. I usually store my my various links, my tutorial links, my URL, or maybe from some blog file, important site that is used to important to me, maybe image file, locations. So you can save anything like here. So this is a useful site, you can use it.